Hey guys, just want to shoot a very quick video, just show you very quickly a specific section here in the SwapIt back office where you can actually purchase cards based off your commissions that you're building, either by yourself or via your team. So the section that you want to look for is this section that says card account balance. So you see there, I'm left with 67 cents because I purchased 6 cards with $10 each. So what you need to do is, if you see you've got a minimum of $10 over here, what you can do is, you see these 3 dots. This basically means that you can click on the image. So you click on the image, card account balance. This then takes you to the next section over here where you can then add the cards to the basket. So the first step is then to add to basket. So let's say we had $30 in our card account balance. We'll then need to click on view basket, and we can refresh that amount here. So what you need to do is increase the quantity and then click on update basket. And then click on proceed to checkout. So over here, if you look in this section over here, down here, it says pay securely using card account. So card account balance is 67. So let's say you had $30 in here. That would be just enough to purchase these 3 cards. You just click on place order, and then your order will be placed, and you have 6 cards, or sorry, 3 cards in this case, that you can play for your monthly token swaps. Okay, so that's just a quick tip on how to actually take advantage of the card account balance that appears down here on the card account balance. So I hope that helps, and I will see you guys in the next video.